Citrus is a fruit family from oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes. They're grown in Brazil, China, United States, Mexico, India, Spain, Iran, Italy, Nigeria, and Turkey. In the United States, citrus fruits are grown in California, Arizona, Texas, while most orange juice and grapefruit is produced in Florida. Smaller markets for citrus grow in the U.S. are grown in South Carolina, Georgia, Oklahoma, Tennessee, and the Gulf Coast states, including Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia, and as well as North Carolina. In California, deep roots started in downtown LA and migrated north into San Joaquin Valley. The seasons: grapefruit, a cross between orange and pomelo with a September to June season. Pomelo looks like a grapefruit on steroids. Winter is prime for its season. Lemon is available year-roundly. Lime is also year-roundly. Sour oranges, very sour category than the sweet oranges. These are available from January to March. Size and planting. Standard size citrus trees should be spaced from 12 to 25 feet apart, and small citrus trees should be set 6 to 10 feet apart. The exact distance depends on the variety. The bigger the fruit, the further the distance. Citrus trees should be planted in a sunny and wind-protected area. To plant citrus trees inside from seeds, remove the seed from the desired fruit, soak the seed overnight in water, and plant them half-inch deep into moist potted soil. Cover the pot with plastic bag or wrap and let it sit in a warm and sunny spot for a few weeks until the seed starts to grow. Then remove the plastic, but keep the pot near a warm and sunny window. A few weeks after planting, for the first few years before bearing age, feed the tree a balance such as 666 fertilizer. Depending on the climate, citrus fruits may take 6 to 8 months to be ready. And acres. From 2013 to 2014, they took approximately 9,046 or 130,000 acres from different types of varieties, from grapefruit, lemons, oranges, mandarins or tangerines, and it kept growing. Acres kept growing and growing over the past year, each year that passes by. Exporting. U.S. exports from Brazil to Mexico to Morocco, South Africa, Turkey, and Japan. Companies that grow citrus are Wonderful Citrus, Be Sweet Citrus, Oxnard Lemon Company, and many other more. Recipe for citrus chicken. Put a large skillet over medium-high heat for 2 or 3 minutes. Add olive oil and butter to the skillet and stir it around. Season for chicken with salt and pepper. Put flour on a plate. When the butter foams, subsides in the pan. Degree to chicken in flour, shaking to remove the excess. Add the breast to the skillet and cook, turning once until the chicken is brown on both sides and nearly cooked through. About 5 minutes per side. Chicken should be constantly sizzling but not burning. Transfer the chicken to a plate and cover loosely with foil to keep warm. Cut the orange in half. Select one of the halves. You would have a grapefruit. Remove any seeds. Juice that remains, orange half and 1 lime. With the heat still on medium-high, add the orange juice, lemon juice, and sugar to the skillet and let it bubble. Stir it until it reduces by half, about 2 minutes. After adding the orange selection to the skillet and turn heat to low, stirring until mixture is slightly thickened. Return to the chicken to the skillet, turn it into the sauce and serve, seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Cut the remaining lime into wedges and garnish. History on citrus. While the origin of citrus fruit cannot be identified, researchers believe that it began to appear in Southeast Asia at least 4000 BC. From there, it slowly spread to North Africa, mainly through migration and trade. During the period of Roman Empire, demanded by higher-ranking members of society, along with increasing trades, allowing the fruit to spread to southern Europe. Citrus fruit spread through Europe during the Middle Ages and then brought to America by Spanish explorers. Worldwide trade in citrus fruits did not appear until 19th century, and trade in orange juice developed as late as 1940s. The name came from a Latin word which referred to either a plant known as citron or a conifer tree. Citrus fruit taken has been associated with 10% reduction in odds of developing breast cancer. Oranges are historically used for their high content of vitamin C, which prevents scurvy. Scurvy is a disease resulting of a lack of vitamin C, and early symptoms including weaknesses, feeling tired, curly hair, sore arms, and without treatment, decreased red blood cells, gum disease, and bleeding from skin may occur.